When I'm not busy stalking the office with Skittles, I'm watching Idiotic Ramblings. Come on now.
This place starting to look like a junkyard, man. We got a muddy mess. People have tracked up the yard. Dodge is dirty. Peterbilt's dirty. These daggone trailers we rented are filthy. This place is starting to get ever loving nerves, man. They need to bring a load of gravels in here. This mud pit. Some old boat junk everywhere. I got 2 bikes out there, and they get rid of them Volvo bumpers. I got any Volvo fans on here? Let me get rid of these Volvo. I got a whole front bumper for Volvo. Get that junk out of here. Wasn't worth a couple $100. I'd throw it away. I need to get this Harley on the road too, man. This place is starting to get on my bloody nerves. Come on, jeez. That's so despicable. Look at me, bad hair day. Get the hat on. Get my color match shirt on for the Peterbilt. I think I'm gonna get out of here and go stinking. Go find me some dinner. Place is getting to be a junkyard. Despicable. You know what I got? I need to find a trailer. I need to find a truck for that one right there. This truck here is hooked to that one. Just need to get it washed. That one there needs a truck for it. Tried to hire a couple people today, but they're not doing their job. You know, I do my job, they're not doing their job. I need to get the hang on, let me turn you around so I can see you. There you go. I need to get the stinking background check thing. It's a simple thing, you know. You do your part, send them the stuff, and they don't do their part. So anyway, I need to find somebody to pull that trailer right down there. Got a lot of applications filed, but yeah. So anyway, there you go. We got to get 20 applicants. I fill out an application. And got a bunch more that's sparked interest, you know. But if you guys want to know my requirements, go to GorleyTrucking.com. Check it out. Send me an email. Let's get on the ball. Get this dog. I realize it's Christmas. I do realize that. But we will gotta get the process started. I don't expect you to come work before Christmas, but we gotta get the ball rolling. Get the background checks done. It's a little dark in here, isn't it? Get the background checks done and get drug screen done. Now this is much better. See, got a little bit of camera stuff there. Tire iron system going to Peterbilt, but at least the house ain't as junked up as the yard is. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we're going to go find some dinner. We'll see y'all later. I just thought I'd chime in and grab a little bit of that beautiful truck out there, man. Sexy, baby. Sexy. Okay, bye.
I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out Idiotic Ramblings on Life is Good. Come on. When I'm not having a relaxing day at the beach, I'm watching Life is Good. Come on!